All right, today we are going to be looking at lesson 5.10, and I am not helping you with these because you know how to do them, okay? So just make sure that you are seeing that it's addition or subtraction, because some of these are addition and some of them are subtraction, okay? There are a couple ways that you could do these. You could use counters and make 4 plus 9 and see how many are all together. You could count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? When you do subtraction, you can shake and count down. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, okay? I want you to do all of these. And this today is going to be more of a just going through it and reading it to you. And then you can get off of this video and go do it, okay? This is a little bit different, but we've done missing numbers before in Go Math. So we're going to find out 9 minus what is 7? How many do you have to put in there to make it 7? 6 plus what is 10? Okay, so you're going to do those on your own. I'm going to read this to you. Kara has 9 drawings. She gives 4 away. How many drawings does Kara have now? So I want you to make a sentence up here, and she's giving some away, so we know it's going to be subtraction. Okay? So you'll put your numbers in, and you'll subtract, and you'll put your answer here. Okay? Choose 2 numbers from 5 to 9. We're going to do this one together. Use your numbers to write an addition sentence. Draw a picture to show your work. So we're going to choose 2 numbers. They can be any numbers between 5 and 9. So I'm going to pick the number 7 because I like 7. And it's addition, 7 plus, and they have to be between 5 and 9. I'm going to do 7 plus 5 equals 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And now it says draw a picture to show your work. So I'm going to make 7 tally marks. And then I'm going to make 5 more. I'm going to count them. 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay? You can use my numbers or you can use your own. Okay, you're just adding and subtracting here. Make sure you pay attention to the sign so you know which one you're doing. What is the missing number? You know how to do this. 7 plus what is 12? How many more do you need to make 12? You can draw a picture if that helps you. Greg knows 7 plus 4 equals 11. What other addition fact does he know that shows the same add-ins? These are add-ins. Okay? So we know when we add and we have a fact family, the 11 goes last, right? And we already did the problem 7 plus 4, so now which one do we need to do? What number needs to come first? The 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Okay, now today you're going to do this also. Okay, so it's not just 5.10, it's also your chapter review, the whole review of chapter 5. Boys and girls, we don't have a math test today, so this is in place of that, to give you some more practice, okay? So you are going to do this. I'm going to read it to you and see if there's any tricky ones that we need to do together. There are 2 dogs in the park. Some more dogs come. Now there are 9 in all. How many dogs come? So this is a missing add-in. This is what it looks like. 2 plus what equals 9? And you'll write it right here. Which fact is a related fact? Remember, this is also called fact families. Okay, so there are 4 different ones. There's 2 addition and there's 2 subtraction. Okay, so figure out which one they're missing. Remember, when you're adding with fact families, the biggest number is always last. When you're subtracting with fact families, the biggest number is always first. Okay, so which way did they not do yet? Look at the facts. Are they related facts? Choose yes or no. Are these fact families? Do they have the same numbers? Do they have the same 3 numbers? Yes, they do. All right. Tom sees 12 bees. Then 7 bees fly away. How many bees does he see now? So you're going to write that in a number sentence. Okay? So this is going to be the first one's going to be a subtraction. And then they want you to write an addition fact family for that. So how could you write it in a different way? All right. Use these to find unknown numbers. You can use anything. It doesn't have to be these. Okay, it can be Cheerios or anything else. Okay, 6 plus what number equals 16? And you can also figure it out by doing 16 minus 6. That's fact families. And then that will give you this unknown number. Which unknown number is in these related facts? So which number are they missing in each of these boxes? They have a 13 and a 4. We need to figure out what this other number is, and this number goes in every single one of these boxes. So you're going to figure out what number is missing. Joe has 7 blue marbles. A friend gives him 6 red marbles. How many marbles does Joe have now? Draw a picture to show your work. So it looks like he got more marbles, right? Friend gives him, how many marbles does Joe have now? Okay, so draw a picture and then write your answer right here. Choose all the ways that make 12. So we're going to see if these equal 12. Okay? If they equal 12, you're going to color in the dots. Okay? If they don't equal 12, you don't color them in. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. Does this side, we did this yesterday, does this side equal the same thing as this side? When you add this side up, you'll put your number up here. When you subtract this side, you'll put your number up here. Do they equal the same, yes or no? Same with this. Does 9 equal this? Does 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5? Okay, you guys know how to do that for sure. All right, now let's look at this one. Anne has 14 white socks. Bill has 6 white socks. How many more white socks does Anne have than Bill? Oh my goodness, how many more? Remember, Mrs. Likens taught you this. How many more means what? It means subtraction. You're going to subtract. It says write or draw. So you could write a sentence or you could draw this. Either one. Okay. Alma has 5 crayons. Her dad gives her 7 more crayons. How many crayons does she have now? Oh, now. That gives you a hint that we are adding, right? Use a related fact to check your answer. So you're going to make it into an addition problem, and you're going to solve it and put the answer here. And then you're going to turn it into a subtraction problem. And the biggest number is going to go first. Julia buys 12 books. She gives 9 books away. How many books does she have now? So she buys 12. She gives 9 away. How many are left? All right, now, this is a super exciting day for math because guess what? This is the very last page in this Go Math book. You finished an entire one. When you get this one done today, you will have finished all of the first Go Math book. Guess what? There's a second one. So you get to have that one when we come back in January. Okay? You will pick that up next Friday for your pickup day. Okay? All right. Go ahead and finish all of those pages for me.